What is the speed of the angel Jibril? How quickly he descended from heaven to earth? When the angel Jibril comes from heaven to earth to fulfill Allah's command, how quickly and how much time he comes to earth? So, to understand this, you first need to know that the speed of light is 300,000 kilometers per second. It's the fastest thing in the universe. And light takes 8 minutes to travel from our Earth to the Sun. And at the same speed, if light has to leave our galaxy, the Milky Way, to go to the galaxy closest to ours, the Andromeda Galaxy, it will take 2.5 million years. So far is the first galaxy. And some scientists say that there are between 100 and 200 billion galaxies in the observable universe. And remember, scientists say it's all just 1%. But remember, this is the first sky, because we Muslims believe that there are 7 heavens, the 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, and 7th heaven, which we do not know yet. And it is said that the 7th heaven is so great that all these 6 heavens will be filled in its corner. And above this 7th heaven, the angel Jibril stands under Arsh of Allah, under the throne of Allah. In the battle of Uhud, when the Prophet's teeth were broken, then Allah said, Jibril, go before a drop of the blood of my beloved Muhammad falls on the ground. And he came before a drop of the blood of the Prophet Muhammad, may Allah bless him and grant him peace, falls on the ground. So think for yourself, if Jibril came so quickly from 7th heaven to earth, then what would his speed be? Allahu Akbar. And when the messenger of Allah came up, Al-Miraj, he asked Jibril, "O Jibril, how old are you?" Jibril said, "You see the star over there? I have seen it 70,000 times, and it comes out every 70,000 years. So guess what his age will be." Then the Prophet said, "I swear by Allah the Almighty that the star was of my nur, light. I was that star." Allahu Akbar. Subhanallah. I request you to share this video with everyone as an Islamic reminder. If anyone watches the video thanks to your sharing, then you have rewards.